We are at the auction, picking up our Buick. Check it out. Look at this. We're about to get this Buick 2005 Buick LeSabre on the U-Haul. U-Haul right now. Check it out. Now my boy can't get out of here because what about him?
Shit! Like I'm really going to wait.
Did you find the other key? Huh?
¿Eh?
Oh, okay.
No, es verdad.
Can you get out through here?
Sí, no, pues voy a...
Oh, okay, very good. So you roll down the window in the front. Buddy, be careful.
Duke is a passer.
Duke's a hazard. How was that?
Oh, awesome.
Alright, so, well, she's not that bad inside. I mean, she's real clean. It's all put together. Hopefully a little bit of money can fix it. All right. Both our straps are secure. Okay, I can't tighten this anymore, so we just sealed it or locked it. It's good. Here's my boy Arturo taking this puppy home. Let's see if you can see it through the video. Yeah, there you go. Hopefully something minor. Well, like not many problems. We'll check it out. We'll give you an update what it is when we find out. But look.
Whiskey's supposed to drown the memory.
Here she is. This is where we're gonna bring her in at. Here's my boy. All right. One down, one more to go. What do you think is best?
Para moverlo, déjame.
Yeah, because it looks clean now. We made it. Number one. Part one. We're gonna go with the other one. All right, we are finally at the auction to pick up the second car. Let's check it out. It's that right there. Can you see it? Oh man. Alright, now, look, let's get a walk around again. It's better today than it did yesterday. Sexy. Sexy! Sexy! Are you ready? Yeah, Joe's still here. Woo.
What?
Maybe he took one of the cars he bought, bro.
¿Verdad?
Where's the keys? Alright, so yesterday it was like, woo, woo, woo. Hopefully today, unlock it with the remote. Yes, she's running. Finally, alright. Got all this garbage in here. Uh-oh. The Firebird is already ready to be towed. I have no idea why it's so funny to me. Let's put these straps on. Let's get this puppy going. Made it home with this puppy. Let's get it down now. It's not a Trans Am. I keep saying Trans Am because I used to have it. But, yeah. Let's get this going. So we're here and she's dead. So we're trying to hook up a jump starter or something to try to crank her up. Plug battery cables in. After the battery cables have been plugged in, we try to start it. Yes! Hell yeah. Very good. Moment of truth revealed.
Dale para atrás.
Yeah, alright, let's close the hood real quick. I still need to stop by the bank. What time is it? It's fucking 4:30. I'm pretty excited for this little one. Runs and drives though. Shifts gears. Brakes. It's not bad. We towed it because of the engine and the oil. We don't know what it has, and since we already had the dolly, why not, right? Better safe than sorry. This tape is from the fucking remote. Feels pretty sturdy. Here, let's pull into this house. The house for lease. Take a quick shot of this house real quick. Not a bad house, I like it. Well, let me tell you a little bit about this 1997 Pontiac Firebird. It's, I think it's a one owner with 115,000 miles. And the inside is pretty well put together and clean. These panels come off, which is pretty cool. There's no check engine lights on. Runs and drives great. I mean, all we need to do is clean this baby up and make it worth again, you know, worth what it was. Let me know where to go, bro.
Okay. Déjalo aquí, métete así porque lo tengo que meter de reversa.
Okay.
No, si quieres, veme abriendo la puerta.
All right. We gotta put it inside my boy's backyard right here. I'll show you right now. Check it out. This is my boy house. You're good. Courtesy of West Side Chevy. We'll call it the Batmobile. Batmobile. How do you feel driving the Batmobile?
Ah, very good. Nice.
That's right up. The Batmobile. Wasn't that bad, as a matter of fact. It's pretty clean. I like it. Now let's go drop off this fucking U-Haul dolly and just call it a day, because fuck, tired of shit. All right, so we successfully dropped off the U-Haul dolly, and now we're ready to call it a day. So if you watched this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're gonna keep these videos coming one way or another, just to entertain you, so you can see all the fun, stupid things we do. You know, and I'm gonna try to keep it real, 100%. So, like, authentic is what I mean. You know, not try to act or anything like that. But all right, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now. Hit the like button, share this video, tell your friends about it, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.